how to turn off share activities with friends on Snapchat. Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. And why not subscribe in our channel and like the video. So let's start. You go first and you open your Snap. As you see, my Snap it's opening. You go here on your profile icon, then you click. After this guys, go to settings here and click, and after settings guys you will go down to game and minutes, then you open it, and this is the option share activities with friend. If you found it like turning on, activity will reactivate it by clicking here and make it showing like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.